going to be playing Papers, Please. I'm going to be playing Papers, Please. Papers, please! I need your papers! Give me them. We are going to be playing a new game. Congratulations. Congratulations. Class 8 Odstotska. Glory to Odstotska! Greatest country, make a proud. It opens today. By the way, it's night and all the lights are off and stuff. November 23rd, 2014? I know it's not that. East Reston. Next. Hello, man! Papers, please finally return home. Ostarska. Are you from Ostarska? You're from Ostarska, so I can approve you. And done. Here you go. Glory to Odstotska! Thank you. Papers, please. This checkpoint is smaller than I expected. Impor. Sorry, guy. You don't get in. You're from Impor. Our starts goes home. Papers, please. I've went 8 hours, and it was for nothing. Goodbye, old lady. I've got. No, it's too hot there. I'm not good with the heat. It would singe my hair off of my head. That's only 5 levels. Papers, please. Okay. Why'd you come to my checkpoint? You're so stupid. Papers, please. Ostratska. Here we go. Get out of my line. Go home. Go home! Or grow home. Papers, please. You're from Import. Get the F out of my line. Next person. You are from Ostotska. Glory to Ostotska. I grabbed the wrong paper. Make her proud. Oh, I love that. Okay, next. Papers, please. Yeah, you get disapproved. It stops cause only. Next. No! November 24th, 1982. Wait, what is this? You are from... Okay, check all pages. Oh, I didn't check all pages. Come on. Okay, time. Okay. So go to this. Expiration date and our time. Matching. Date and matching. A correlation, okay. This with this. Matching. No correlation. I want to check if she's female or not. Matching. Okay, Alexandra, I think your name is. This is gonna take a much longer time to do. I wanna give you your passport! Give the passport! Cause no trouble. Cause no trouble. Next one. Goodbye. Hello. Was your passport given to me? Well, if it was, then you are horrible. If you gave me your passport, if you could just get out of my line, I would be so grateful. If you got out of my line. Interrogate. Discrepancy! 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 Here. Get out of my line. No one with any discrepancies. Anyone will be killed immediately. Oblastan. Oblastan. Bam, banabadum, 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 and. Oh, you're not male, are you? You aren't male, are you? You aren't male. Discrepancy! Get out of my line! Get out of my freaking line! I never want to see you again. Bye. Oh my god. Next, please. Papers, please. Hurry up. I'm meeting somebody soon. Aw. I'm gonna bust you. I'm gonna bust you so hard. I'm gonna bust your balls. I'm gonna bust your balls. Imagine. I don't need that. I need that. And what about that? And name. What about name and person? Okay. Oh, name and person. Okay. You have no discrepancies. Little pass. You can pass. I need your stamp. I need your stamp. Finally, I I can get through the border. And I probably got a discrepancy. Oh, no. Papers, please. Mail. Mail. Matching discrepancy. Forged. I don't care. Get your decline and get out of my line before I punch you in the face. Give! Oh my god, these guys. They try to get into my door, but they know they're gonna get a kick in the ass. Papers, please. Hello, handsome. You look bored. Oh, thank you. I could go to a strip club, and I don't wanna, and I can't because I'm in a game. But I don't want to. I don't want. Sorry for all the like drifting away from the mic. Not really close up. I'll get closer up so you can matching data. That doesn't look like you. That's the thing. Oh my god. Okay, you're good. You can pass through. You get the border check. High five? High five. You already high fived me with that. But goodbye. See you again. Hopefully to get more money. Oh yeah. I'm gonna check the recording eventually. Papers, please. I'm a potato man, potato man, potato man. Oh god, that freaked me out, guys. Oh god. That sounded so real. I thought it was at my door, like someone coming in. Oh my god. And my room is from the mark. Bye guys, I'm going to leave you on a scared note, but bye! Bye guys, see you next one. I'll see how long this recording is. I'm gonna actually use my iPad to help me. It unplugged! At least you know I'm super scared about this stuff. So, don't ever suggest me a horror game. And don't ever say, play this horror game. You have to play it. Because I'm just not going to. Horror games is not what I like. They're just scary. And, you know, first scare I get, I'm just gonna be, and hide from the screen and just want to shut off my computer away from it so I don't have to see it again. So, don't suggest me anything. I know I let you do. Goodbye, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!